Hello friends, welcome to the International Web Conference on Science, Engineering and Technology. I am Dr. Prakash Bansode, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Sangola College, Sangola. I am going to present my research paper entitled Ferrocene Ionic Liquids as New Generation Anti-Breast Cancer Agents. So this is the outline of presentation. Ionic liquids are the salts which have melting point less than 100 degrees Celsius. Ferrocene is a metallocene type of compound which has attracted medicinal chemists due to its unique properties at cellular level and wide array of biological properties. The present work deals with the synthesis of new series of ferrocene tethered ionic liquids based on ferrocenyl methyl benzimidazolium, imidazolium and trizolium cation, and which is again evaluated for the anti-cancer activity and in silico studies. The synthetic route for the ferrocene tethered ionic liquids, which includes room temperature quaternization of ferrocenyl methyl benzimidazole using long chain alkyl bromide such as octyl bromide, decyl bromide, dodecyl bromide and tetradecyl bromide to furnish desired ferrocene tethered ionic liquids. Similarly, the ferrocene tethered imidazolium based ionic liquids and trizolium based ionic liquids were synthesized. This is the FTIR spectra of one of the representative compound 1N-ferrocenyl methyl 3-octyl benzimidazolium bromide, which shows the characteristic peaks for the functional groups. This is the H1-NMR spectra, C13-NMR spectra of the representative compound, mass spectra which confirms the formation of compound. The spectroscopic data for all the compounds is consistent with the proposed structures. All the synthesized compounds were evaluated for their anti-breast cancer activity against human breast cancer cell line MCF7 and for their toxicity against monkey Vero cells. It is noteworthy that the 5 compounds 2A to 2D and 4B represented the higher anti-cancer activity compared to the standard drug doxorubicin, and they are low toxic towards the monkey Vero cells. So these figures show the cell morphology, that is killing of cells. The compounds show good pharmacological properties, drug-like properties on in silico ADME prediction. Cathepsin B is one of the protein which is present on the lysosomal wall. Lysosome targeting anti-cancer agents is one of the emerging area in anti-cancer drug research. So we evaluated these compounds for the molecular docking with cathepsin B, and it is noteworthy that all the compounds show very good binding with the cathepsin B, and compound 2A with the lowest binding energy, it is the most active compound among the 5 active compounds. Finally, we conclude that we have successfully synthesized a new series of ferrocene tethered ionic liquids by room temperature quaternization of the ferrocenyl methyl azoles with long chain alkyl bromides. All the compounds show very good anti-cancer activity against the human breast cancer cell line MCF7, good drug-like properties, and they are the good binders of the cathepsin B. This work is published in Elsevier Journal, Journal of Molecular Liquids, with a very good impact factor 4.61. Thank you.